Today, we're gonna be clapping cheeks. We're cooking the cheeks of a cow today. If you have never trimmed up a beef cheek before, it is probably one of the most nasty things you've ever seen in your life. This hunk of meat somehow sits on a cow, and it has all kinds of slag and hang off and all kinds of nastiness. But we have a bucket full of slag and a bucket full of trimmed cheeks. We want this piece right here, this guy. So there's this split that we want to trim right just like that. And then this still has meat in there. What we're gonna do is cook these for birria tacos. Birria tacos. So this right here is what we're looking for. Then we can trim off all of these pieces. But again, nothing is gonna go to waste. What I have here is 1 cup of coarse pepper, half a cup of salt, and a 1/4 cup of seasoned in the abyss. Yeah, baby. We're gonna get these on here now. The pit's at about 250 now. We're gonna be between 250 and 275. We're gonna pile this nasty mess in there. Chicken destroy. We're gonna pull these things off. We're gonna do 2 separate things here. The scraps of stuff for the birria tacos, and then we're gonna do the beef cheeks whole right here in confit. And we're gonna take some of this tallow from last weekend's brisket cook. Why ladle when you can dump? Kind of. We also fired up YoderLayHeeHoo in order to not have to babysit since we're done with flavor. We're gonna take all these scraps and just pile them. It looked like nastiness, but there's good meat in there. Woo-hoo. And all its glorious nastiness. This one, we are gonna fill with beef stock. You guys haven't heard of it? Bond, great brand, great people, great company. How much? A pile. We got some onions, guajillo pepper, pasilla pepper, ancho, and cascabel. Oh, and a cinnamon stick. Forgot about that little dude. We're gonna put a spice pack in there. The little spice packs you get at the Mexican store. That'll give us our consomme for the birria tacos. Oh, you cheeky little bitch. Boom, 275. And then we can kind of chill. We don't have to babysit the offset smoker. Just a couple more hours in the 275 in YoderLayHeeHoo, and we have got these things probing tender, and they are so juicy. Look how spongy, nice they are. Oh, these are gonna be so damn good. They're probing at about 203 degrees. Amazing. Actually happened a lot quicker than I thought it was too. You can tell as you poke your finger in these things, it wants to sink in there, and you can push it all the way through if you wanted to. I'm not going to, because I want to slice these things up. I'm gonna put them in the oven at 150 degrees again and rest them overnight. I let them cool just a little bit because I don't want them to go up over 206, 207. Tomorrow, we are gonna slice into these things and make birria tacos with some of the other stuff we've done. Get yourself a nice hotel pan with holes in it like this. You really adopted the dog. And pour this in here. Separate all this out really easily. So much of this is connective tissue and all that stuff, but there's little nuggets. There's little nuggets of meat right in there. All the rest of it's trash. You just spread the cheeks apart like that. Oh my gosh, dude. Never had a beef cheek before. That is fucking delicious. Clapping for the cheeks. It's sticky, just like they say. Let's hear it for the cheeks. This is Zach, and we're gonna get the taco reaction.
Here we go.
Birria. Okay. Should we touch cheek?
Manchego? Yeah. Slap it in cheeks. Slap it in cheeks. Dunk it. Oh man, that's good.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, it's delicious. Man, so good. And go eat them.
Beef cheeks, you gotta try them.